Hello and welcome to another tutorial. My name is Jeffrey Apton, and in this tutorial I'll be showing how to use the auto key in 3ds Max. So the auto key is located right here. The shortcut is N to turn it on. So if we select all these objects that we have, let's say we want to simulate a race here between these three objects, the pyramid, the teapot, and the sphere. So we want to set a key on frame 0. So that's where all of these objects are located. So we just click on the key and we see there's a multicolor key located there that represents position, rotation, and scale. So now we want to say the race ends here. So all we have to do, bring the slider to frame 100, and automatically it creates a key for us. So now if we play this, we can see that everything moves at the same time. But let's say we want the teapot to be the winner. What we can do is now to just select the frame for the teapot, just by selecting the teapot. Bring the frame for the teapot back to frame, let's say 75, and that's when the teapot wins. Okay, so now we want to say, all right, we want to also create like a jump for the sphere. We want the sphere to start jumping at this point to win the pyramid. We select the sphere, we move it a little bit, or we just set a key, and there's a key right there. And we say now at frame 65, it's going to be jumping a little. So now we can see it jumps and it goes back down. So we want to say at frame 80, the teapot when completed the race on frame 75, and the sphere will complete it at frame 80, so it wins the pyramid. So if we play the whole thing now, there we go. Okay, so now let's say we want to have a different effect. We want to have the pyramid to scale while it's animating. So all we have to do, so now we can just scale it at frame 40, let's say. Scale it, make it larger, and then if now we play this, it's large. And if we wanted to go back to a smaller size, we just simply do the scale again, and we just rescale it. And now if we play this all together, we're going to see the pyramid do that, sphere do that, and the teapot wins. It doesn't only apply to moving objects, so we can like have a teapot that is just it's placed in one location, and we just want it to shrink, for example, let's say. So it's this teapot has no scale right now to it, so we just set a keyframe on 0 for it, and on frame 35 we scale it to be larger or smaller, and we can see that on frame 35 that happens, and we can say, all right, on frame 75 I want that to be smaller, and you just change the size of the teapot, and then just takes effect. And then we say on frame 100 we want it to go back to large. Oh, that's too large. There we go. So now if we play this, so the object doesn't have to be moving, it could just be still, and we just do that effect to it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.